Good morning, everyone. I am going to go over with you what you've got to do by Thursday of this week. So, if we start with chapter 4, I'm on the NT1 section, but it's the exact same for those of you that are in NT2. So, if we look at the chapter 4 section, you start off with the chapter 4 slides and the chapter 4 lectures. These are not graded, but they will help you to complete your quiz and on your exam too. And then your chapter 4 quiz is due on June the 10th, which is today by midnight. And um, and then you have a virtual lab in chapter 4 that's due. Virtual lab means that it's online. I have a demonstration here so you can watch that. It's a very short, like 4-minute video showing you how to complete the virtual lab. The virtual lab is on plant and animal cells because chapter 4 is the chapter on cell structure. And then this is the document that you will download and complete, and then you'll complete it while you do this lab. You'll click here. This is the link to the actual lab. And then you will upload your completed document. The document contains a table and questions, and you'll upload that into this assignment, Virtual Lab Plant and Animal Cells. And this is due on June the 12th, which is Wednesday. So let's go to chapter 5 because this week you have 2 chapters due. In chapter 5, you have the slides and part of the lecture. I'm going to complete the lectures today before I leave work. And I also have some grading to do, by the way, so I will try to get caught up on the grading from last week. And there is a chapter 5 quiz, which is due June the 11th, which is tomorrow. And then again, another virtual lab. So you will not use your kit this week. I'm sorry, you couldn't see that one. Okay, so you will have the video that tells you how to do how to complete the virtual lab on osmosis. And then you've got your virtual lab document. I've got these out of order. Let me fix this. I always like to put see if that fixes it. Okay, yeah. Okay, so here's the demonstration, which is just me demonstrating how to do the virtual lab. And then here's your virtual lab link. You'll go here to access the lab and do it. And this is the document that you'll complete while you do your virtual lab. And you will upload that document into this assignment. So this is due by June the 12th. The same exact day that the other virtual lab is due. These labs don't take very long. So you have 2 labs due in one day, and then your exam is due on Thursday. So hopefully you have scheduled a time to take your exam, and good luck to you all on your exam. It is the very first one, so we'll kind of see how it goes. But I hope everyone does well on it. And if you have any questions, again, just email me or call me. And I hope you have a good week.